Hello, dear students. Today we are going to start chapter 3 of our English grammar book, and the topic is pronouns. Yes, today we will learn about pronouns. In this chapter, we are going to learn about personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. So, first of all, we will know about what is pronoun. We need to know what is pronoun. Yes. So, a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Yes. Pronouns are those words which we use to avoid the repetition of noun again and again in a sentence. Okay. For example, Rahul is a doctor. He is a dentist. So here we have used he on the place of Rahul. यहाँ पे हमने राहुल को किससे रिप्लेस किया है? ही से. ओके. Rahul is a doctor. Rahul is a dentist. It looks little awkward, na? So that's why we have used here he. Why do we use pronouns? Pronouns हम क्यों use करते हैं? Just to avoid the repetition of a nouns. If again and again in the entire paragraph we are again and again using a noun, then our speech, our sentences, our paragraph doesn't look very impressive. That's why to avoid the repetition of nouns we use pronouns. Like Rahul is a doctor, Rahul is a dentist. तो ये बोलने में अच्छा नहीं लगता है. But when we are saying Rahul is a doctor, he is a dentist, it looks very impressive. That's why we are using pronouns. Next is children are playing, they are making a lot of noise. So here he and they are replaced by Rahul and children. So now kinds of nouns, kinds of pronouns: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. First, we will learn about personal pronoun. Personal pronouns refer to a person or a subject in a sentence. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन कौन से होते हैं? पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस जो हैं वो रेफ़र करते हैं टू अ पर्सन और अ सब्जेक्ट इन अ सेंटेंस, कि वो किसी पर्सन को या सब्जेक्ट को एक सेंटेंस के अंदर रेफ़र करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे हेल्प्ड अस in the hour of need. He is the man she is going to marry. A table of reference for personal pronoun. Personal pronoun always take the place of subject in a sentence. Okay. So a table of reference for personal pronoun is given below. See, first person, subject I, object me, subject we, and object us. If it is given first person, कौन होता है हमारा पर्सनल प्रोनाउन में? आई मतलब मैं, वी मतलब हम. एंड इफ इट इज गिवन इन द सेंटेंस एज अ ऑब्जेक्ट, इट वुड बी मी एज अ सिंगुलर एंड अस एज अ प्लूरल. नेक्स्ट इज सेकेंड पर्सन and third person. So second person, you, as a singular it will be you, as a object it will be you, and plural as a subject it will be you, and as a object it will be you. Okay. Next is third person. थर्ड पर्सन कौन होता है? ही, शी, इट, एंड एंड ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी हिम, हर, इट, and as a subject it will be they, and as a object in plural it will be them. Now possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are a part of personal pronoun. Possessive pronoun जो होते हैं वो personal pronoun का ही एक part होते हैं. They show ownership or possession. They show ownership and possessions. Like the red bag is mine and the blue one is hers. Possession means to have something. ओके. द रेड बैग इज़ माइन, रेड बैग क्या है? मेरा है. एंड द ब्लू वन इज़ हर्स, और ब्लू वाला उसका है. आई विश दिस बिग हाउस इज वॉज आर्स. आई विश कि ये बड़ा घर हमारा होता. सो हियर वी आर पोजेसिंग फॉर समथिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड पोजेसिव नाउन. टेबल ऑफ रेफरेंस फॉर पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन इज गिवन बिलो. सी, इन पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन, if it is about singular, then first person will be mine, and in plural it will be ours. Second person yours, and as a plural it will be yours. Third में his, hers, it, and plural में theirs and its. Okay. Now next is demonstrative pronoun. Okay. So demonstrative pronouns point out to the nouns replacing them. Demonstrative pronouns क्या करते हैं? They point out to the nouns replacing them. Like this is the most beautiful garden of our school. That is the most beautiful garden of our school. These are the bowls we use to serve soup in. We use those bowls to serve soup in. So here you can see that it is pointing out some nouns. Okay, and one major difference is between this and this, that these is the plural of this and those is the plural of that. This means यह and that means वह. This is for the near things and that is for the things that are far away, जो हमसे दूर होती हैं, which we cannot touch. Okay, so singular is for near and this is singular. Okay, plural these are for near things and that for far it is singular. It is for singular object and those for the plural objects. Now interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. They are generally used at the starting of the interrogative sentences. ये interrogative sentences के starting में use किए जाते हैं. A table of reference for interrogative pronouns is given below. See, interrogative pronouns are what, which, whose, who, whom. Now when we use them to ask questions about what is for people and objects, which is for people and objects, who is for people, objects and always related to the possession, who is for people and whom is also for people. Okay, like examples are here. What time are we supposed to leave? What are you saying? Which is as an example, which shirt will you wear today? Which animal did you see in the park? Whose problem is this anyways? Whose clothes are these? So these are the examples for interrogative pronoun. Okay, now the next is relative pronoun. A relative pronoun is used to refer to nouns, namely people, place, things, animals or ideas. Relative pronouns are also used to introduce clauses in sentences. Relative pronouns are used to refer nouns, namely they are basically to connect two sentences related with the previous same sentence. Like the most common relative pronoun are which, what, who, why, whose, whom and whoever. What, where, when are seldom used as a relative pronoun. What, where, when क्या है, बहुत कम यूज़ होते हैं as a relative pronoun और commonly यूज़ होने वाले हैं which, that, who, why, whose, whom and whoever. Like this is the old man who is known for his courage and strength. So see, when we use relative pronoun we have to see the sentence because here relative pronoun is connecting these two sentence और यहाँ पे initially जिसकी बात हो रही है उसी के बारे में यहाँ पे बात हो रही है. Like this is the old man, यही वो बूढ़ा आदमी है. Who जो कि is known for his courage and strength, जो कि अपने courage और strength के लिए जाना जाता है. The teacher called the student, टीचर ने उस स्टूडेंट को बुलाया, उन स्टूडेंट्स को बुलाया whose average marks were low, जिनके एवरेज मार्क्स क्या थे, लो थे. So both the sentences are connected with each other. Okay, next is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are formed by adding self or selves, self for singular and selves for plural, to personal pronoun and are used as an object in the sentence called the object in the sentence to refer to a previously mentioned noun or pronoun. Reflexive pronouns कैसे फॉर्म किए जाते हैं, कैसे बनाए जाते हैं, बाय एडिंग सेल्फ एंड सेल्फ, सेल्फ और सेल्फ उनके लास्ट में ऐड करके, एंड आर यूज्ड एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन द सेंटेंस, और या फिर सेंटेंस में एज अ ऑब्जेक्ट उनको यूज़ किया जाता है टू रेफर अ प्रीवियसली मैंशनड नाउन. मतलब कि इनिशियली उनके सेंटेंस के बिगिनिंग में जो नाउन मेंशन किया हुआ है या प्रोनाउन मेंशन किया हुआ है. लाइक द डक स्प्लैश्ड इटसेल्फ विद कोल्ड वाटर, तो डक ने खुद पर ही ठंडा पानी जो है वो छिड़क लिया, स्प्लैश किया. ओके, वी बॉट अ फ्यू थिंग्स फॉर आवर सेल्फ, हमने कुछ चीज़ें अपने लिए खरीदी. सो वी यूज्ड इटसेल्फ फॉर डक एंड वी आर सेल्फ. ओके, we for ourselves. They are themselves responsible for their miseries. ओके, सो दे इज़ फॉर दिस, ओके, वो खुद ही अपनी दुखों के लिए जिम्मेवार हैं. अ टेबल फॉर रेफरेंस रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन इज गिवन below. So first person I and we. So for I we use as a singular myself, and for plural we use ourselves. Second person you, if we talk about singular then yourself, and if plural then yourselves, it will be VES at the end. Third person he, himself, no plural for this because this is used for singular person only. She for herself, okay. It itself as a singular, okay. So I hope you have understood the topic. Now sending you some worksheets, okay, do them properly, okay. Thank you.